Hello everyone, welcome back to Science News with Supernova. I hope you are all having a great week. I got some exciting news to share with you folks, so let's jump right into it. Our first piece of news for the week is that a 90 million year old fossilized rainforest has been found in Antarctica. Upon analyzing a sediment sample, they found a root system that is so well preserved that they could still see the individual cell structures. They also found pollen and spores from flowering plants that have never been discovered at these altitudes before. Not much is known about the ancient geography of Antarctica, but this discovery indicates that it was swampy and had a lot of vegetation on it, which is similar to the temperate rainforest that you would see in New Zealand's South Island today. Our second piece of science news for the week is that MIT scientists have created a new form of brain implant. Using an electrically conductive polymer, they 3D printed a gel-like probe that will measure the activity of a single neuron. This innovation either produces a rubbery probe or a hydrogel probe that both contain nanofibers to measure the electrical activity. They've also used this technology to create a multi-electrode array to measure all of the electrical activity underneath it. They are hoping that their invention lays the framework for future technologies to help with the symptoms of Parkinson's, epilepsy, and severe depression, and help with the tailoring of therapies. Our final piece of news for the week is definitely a spirit booster. Ocean researchers and biologists from around the world, including Boris Worm and Heike Lotz from Dalhousie University, have published a paper stating that marine ecosystems and life can be rebuilt in about 30 years. Speaking on climate change, they noted that reducing greenhouse emissions is one of the key steps in rebuilding these systems, as well as protecting fishing stocks and ocean habitats. Leveraging data from previous international conservation agreements, they found that of all the species on the red list of threatened species, that 47% of these populations have increased significantly in previous decades. Also, they noted that prioritizing this goal of rebuilding marine systems, over 1 million jobs can be created and economies will be boosted significantly. I am super excited to see what further research comes out of this area and to see how you folks make a difference. That is all the news I have for you this week. Thank you for tuning back into Science News with Supernova. I hope you all have a great weekend, and I will see you back here next Friday.